So here in this problem, it's given that the harmonic mean and the geometric mean of two positive numbers are in the ratio 4:5. We need to find out what's the ratio of the two numbers. So let us begin. So here we'll begin by first considering that the two numbers be A and B. Let's define the harmonic mean. So the harmonic mean of the two numbers is 2 times AB divided by A plus B. So this is known. And the geometric mean, that's given by G equals to square root of A times B. Now it's given in the problem that the ratio of the harmonic mean to that of the geometric mean is 4/5. We will substitute the value. So we have 2 times AB divided by A plus B divided by G. So G is going to be square root of AB. So that's equals to 4/5. Now AB divided by square root of AB, that makes it square root of AB divided by A plus B. So this will be equals to 4/5. So let's cross multiply. So we're going to get 10 times square root of AB equals to 4A plus 4B. Or now what we'll do, we'll divide both sides with square root of AB. So that gives us 10 equals to 4 times. So A divided by square root of AB. So that's going to be square root of A over B. Plus 4 times, or B divided by square root of AB. So that's going to be square root of B over A. Now we can finally rewrite it as 4 times square root of A over B minus 10 plus 4 times square root of B over A equals to 0. Now we're going to make a substitution here. So we will suppose that let square root of A over B, so let this be equals to x. If this is x, then the reciprocal square root of B over A, so that's going to be 1 over x. Fine. So now we have 4 times x minus 10 plus 4 over x equals to 0. Now what we'll do, we will multiply throughout with x. We will get 4x squared minus 10x plus 4 equals to 0. Now each of the terms are factors of 2, so we can factor out 2 as well. So we get 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. Now that's a simple quadratic equation. We can split the middle term. So let's do it here. So we have 2x squared minus 4x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Now factoring out 2x from the first and the second term. So we have x minus 2. Minus, we are going to take -1 as the common factor. So we have x minus 2. This will be equals to 0. So we have x minus 2 multiplied to 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So we get two values. X will be equals to 2 or x will be equals to 1/2. Now since we've considered x to be equals to square root of A over B, we can now have x replaced with square root of A over B equals to 2, or we can get square root of A over B equals to 1/2. So let's square the both sides of this particular equation. So we have A over B, that will be equals to 4. And we have the other scenario. If we square both sides, we're going to get A over B equals to 1 over 4. Now we were asked in the problem to find out the ratio of the two numbers. So the ratio of the two numbers, it could be either 4:1, or the other scenario, it could be 1:4. Now let's go to the options. Now clearly we have one option given here, 1:4, so C must be the correct answer. So the other option is 4:1 is also a possibility.